Hi there, innovators. It's Kim Detchen, CEO and founder of Innovation Force, and I'm reporting to you from the S&C booth here at DistribuTech 2026 to talk to the experts. How do we build a more resilient and reliable grid? I'm joined by Joe. Joe, can you tell me a little bit more about how you guys help utilities solve these aging assets and reliability issues?
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity. Welcome. So at S&C Electric Company, we're focused on supporting the grid moving forward. It's served us great for over 100 years. It's mature, it's aging, and part of making it for the next 100 years is building on really the system and not completely changing.
Correct.
So what we're trying to do is bring, and part of that solution is going to be automation that's easy to implement and deploy, and making it easier and safer for crews to operate. And so, as an example, what we're standing here in front of is a VacuFuse 2 product from S&C. And what this is, it's like a fuse that's been around since around 1914, but we've replaced it with a vacuum interrupter and some automation, which really saves O&M for customers and allows you much electronic protection, which has significant benefits over the sort of metallurgical approach of fuses.
Interesting. Okay, cool. So tell me a little bit more about the reaction that you've had so far.
So great question. So what we've got great reaction on this is it looks so close to a fuse. Yeah. There's a lot of electronic products around and they're all very great in their own ways, but they're so different for the line crews. And so to have something that drops open after it operates so the crew knows that it's okay to work behind it is very advantageous. When there's other products that are electronic, you need that visible indication that you can still work.
Absolutely.
So what we're trying to do is we can all see the benefit of automation, but we don't want to add more trouble for the crews that's out there in the storms, that's out there in the night, and they need to get the power back on. It has to be simple. It can't be complicated.
So I'm assuming here that the crews are really loving it and we've got all these added safety benefits in it. So how is the utilities reacting overall? Or how's the reception from like standards and operations? And
yeah, no, that's a great question. So we're really excited. We're now over 10 years into this journey of putting reclosing devices or vacuum interrupter devices into cutout mountings. And we've seen utilities all across the country, different 3 wires, 4 wires, international, US, really adopt this because it's just very simple to implement. A lot of automation is a big, long project.
Yeah.
This is something you can go to one circuit, install it, the crews understand it very intuitively, and you can see the results, and the results have been great.
So Joe, it sounds like it's fast, it's easy to deploy, and then therefore it's going to be affordable because if you're going to be able to get them up there faster, but then you're also reducing truck rolls, it sounds like too, with the automation built in.
Exactly, that's a big part of this, is you say, okay, a fuse is not a very expensive device. It's not the fuse that is expensive, it's the cost to get somebody out there and the time that the customer hasn't had power.
Right.
And so, you know, we're able to take a product solution to what's really an O&M cost.
Right.
And also, we're improving the performance for our end customers, which is the ultimate goal.
Absolutely. And of course, you can also check out the amazing, innovative products that they have in our Innovation Works hangar. Happy innovating.